Samsung has released its most advanced phone yet, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, presenting a formidable challenge to Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max. Both phones are crafted from titanium, symbolizing a clash of technological giants. Unlike typical comparisons, this showdown goes beyond mere specifications and performance metrics. Starting with the pricing, neither phone is cheap. Both the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max start at $1,199 for their base 256GB models. However, Samsung stands out by offering free pre-order gifts in some markets, such as Galaxy Buds, extra storage, or even 2 years of Samsung Care. Apple, in contrast, traditionally doesn't provide pre-order incentives or discounts. This approach makes Samsung potentially a better value proposition, although this isn't the sole factor in deciding the battle. When it comes to design, both phones represent the pinnacle of Samsung and Apple's efforts in creating highly recognized and premium smartphones. Samsung takes a bold step with its color choices, offering a more vibrant range compared to Apple's more subdued options. The natural titanium color of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is appealing, but Samsung's colors generally seem more exciting. There are also additional color choices available for Samsung's online customers. However, personal preference plays a significant role here, so opinions may vary. The form factor of each phone also diverges. The S24 Ultra adopts a more angular, boxy design, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max features a rounded shape that might feel more comfortable in the hand. Despite both phones using titanium on their exteriors, the S24 Ultra isn't any lighter than its predecessor, making it slightly heavier than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Given the large size of these devices, weight can be an important consideration. Display technology is another area where Samsung has made a surprising move. For the first time in nearly a decade, Samsung has opted for a completely flat display on its flagship S24 Ultra, moving away from its traditional curved screens. The screen size is slightly larger than the iPhone's, coming in at 6.8 inches compared to the iPhone's 6.7 inches. However, it's not just size that's different. The brightness level of the S24 Ultra screen is significantly higher, which can be particularly beneficial in bright sunlight. Both phones offer exceptional display quality, but the aesthetic choices set them apart. Samsung's punch hole design is less intrusive, offering a more uninterrupted viewing experience, especially for activities like watching Netflix. Apple's Dynamic Island, on the other hand, has unique UI functions and houses the Face ID technology, whereas Samsung relies on an under-display fingerprint scanner for security. In terms of raw performance, both phones are incredibly fast. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max features Apple's 17 Pro chip. Benchmark tests like Geekbench 5 show that Apple's CPU is marginally faster, but Samsung counters with a superior GPU, making it more appealing for gamers. Gone are the days when Apple held a significant lead in performance. The two brands are now very closely matched. However, what truly sets these devices apart is their approach to artificial intelligence, AI. Samsung has introduced a suite of AI features that are currently unmatched by Apple. Features like Live Translate, which works in real time without an internet connection, and intelligent writing, which can adapt your writing style from professional to casual, are examples of Samsung's commitment to integrating AI into everyday use. These capabilities make the iPhone software seem somewhat behind the times, although Apple is reportedly working on similar features for future updates. Gaming is another sector where the two brands diverge. Apple has made strides by offering PlayStation 5 quality games that can be downloaded and played on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Samsung has yet to announce any comparable gaming partnerships for the S24 Ultra, but it's an area worth watching. The camera systems on both phones have seen less dramatic changes. Both the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max retain similar camera hardware to their predecessors. However, there are notable enhancements in zoom capabilities. Apple has improved its long-range zoom lens from 3 to 5x, while Samsung has switched from a 10x to a 5x lens. But this change for Samsung is not a downgrade. It's actually a larger sensor with higher resolution, offering better performance, especially in low light conditions. Samsung's camera system remains more versatile overall with multiple zoom options, while Apple continues to excel in basic photo quality and video performance. When it comes to battery life, both phones excel. In tests, the Galaxy S23 Ultra had a slight edge over the iPhone 15 Pro Max, suggesting that the S24 Ultra could perform even better with its 5,000 mAh battery. Nonetheless, both phones offer exceptional battery life for their size and capabilities. In conclusion, the choice between the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max depends largely on individual preferences and priorities. For those interested in cutting-edge AI and software features, Samsung's S24 Ultra is a compelling choice. Meanwhile, Apple maintains its strength in camera quality and gaming options. It's clear that Samsung has presented a significant challenge to Apple, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be in 2024. As always, personal preferences and specific needs will dictate the best choice for each user. Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game-changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery-smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance, powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8GB of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256GB of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, fully wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology.